Exercise 2.3 question number 1 will be discussed in this part. The concept related to this exercise, that is remainder theorem, is already discussed in previous part. You can check the link in description box. So let's start. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x is divided by x plus 1. First of all, we will write using remainder theorem. Remainder theorem के through हम remainder find out करेंगे. According to that theorem, हम x plus 1 means जो हमारा divisor है, we'll put it equals to 0. Implies x is equals to minus 1. Now we'll write the value of polynomial, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. In place of x, we'll write minus 1. Then minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1. So 3 into 1, 3 minus 3 plus 1. First we will take the addition part, plus 3 plus 1. That is plus 4 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So we can write here remainder is equals to 0. Next part, x minus 1 upon 2. Here we have written px so that it is very easy to find out the value using remainder theorem. So we'll write as we have done in previous part, x minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 0. Implies x is equals to 1 upon 2. Px, which is given, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. We'll replace x by 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 का cube plus 3 into 1 upon 2 square plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 1 upon 4. 1 upon 2 का whole square is 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1. We can write like this, plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1. The denominators of each term is different. So first of all we have to find the LCM to make the denominators same. We'll take the LCM 8, 4, 2, 1. From 2 we will do 4s, 2s, 1s and 1s. Again from 2, 2s, 1s, 1s, 1s. Again, and we'll finally get 1 from each side. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Our LCM is 8. We'll write here 8. 8 के टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 1s, 1 into as it is numerator. Plus 4 के टेबल में 8, 2s into 3 numerator as it is. Plus 2 के टेबल में 8, 4 into 3. Plus 1 के टेबल में 8, 8s into numerator. We'll continue here. Equals to 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. 4 3s are 12. 8 1s are 8 upon 8. 12 plus 8, 20, 26, 27. 27 upon 8. So we can write here, we have got our remainder which is equals to 27 upon 8. Next part, x. Again using remainder theorem, we'll put the divisor equals to 0. Px, again same given in question also, 3x square plus 3x plus 1. We'll replace x by 0 here. 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. 0 plus 3 into 0 square, 0. 3 into 0, 0 and 1. So finally we got our remainder, which is equals to 1. Next part. Here our divisor is x plus pi. Using remainder theorem, we'll put this equals to 0, implies we'll get the value of x equals to minus pi. Px x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. P minus pi cube plus 3 minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1 minus pi cube. This way sign will in odd, minus will come, minus pi square, that will convert into plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. We will leave our answer here because it cannot be simplified further. We can simply write here, we have got our remainder in terms of pi in this way, and this is the answer. Let's see the fifth part. Here the divisor is 5 plus 2x. Using remainder theorem, 5 plus 2x is equals to 0, implies 2x is equals to minus 5, implies x is equals to minus 5 upon 2. We are given px is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. We'll replace x by minus 5 upon 2, minus 5 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 square plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. 5 cube is minus 125 will come here. 2 cube is 8 plus 3. We'll solve the bracket. 5 5s are 25. Here is it is square. That's why minus will convert into plus upon 4 plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1 minus 125 upon 8 plus 25 3s are 75 upon 4 minus 15 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1. Since the denominators in each case is different, we will take the LCM. We have already taken the LCM of 8, 4, 2 and 1 in previous part. What we got the LCM? 8. So we can continue with the LCM here, which is 8. 8 के टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 1s into we'll write numerator as it is in this way plus 4 के टेबल में 8 2s into 75 plus 2 के टेबल में 8 4s into minus 15. We'll write here bracket so that minus sign के साथ confusion ना हो. 1 के टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 8s into 1. So we'll get minus 125. 75 2s is 150 minus 15 4s that is 60 plus 8 upon 8. We'll take the plus portion first. 150 plus 8 that is 158 minus 125 and minus 60 को हम add करेंगे and sign will be of minus, which is equals to 185 upon 8. Since minus 185 में से हमें 158 minus करना है तो sign will be of minus and we'll get our answer 27 upon 8. So we can write here remainder is equals to minus 27 upon 8. I hope this question must be clear to you. If you have any doubt in any portion, you can ask your queries in comment section.